Nearly 4 days ago, we witnessed the fourth block reward halving. My forecast of 59,000 approximately was predicated on a formula that I created over 2 years ago. How did that play out? And what does it say about the next 4 years? I'm Joseph Wagner, and welcome to the Rabbit Hole. So, I'm not trying to be braggadocious or anything, but my formula did predict Bitcoin's price sometime on the date of the next halving to occur right around $58,990. As you could see, April 19th, our low was $59,635. Once we do the math and minus the low of that day from my prediction, we get a difference of $645, which means that the formula predicted Bitcoin's price on that day within an accuracy of 1.08%. Now, this is closer than all the other halvings that the formula works out for. It ranges anywhere from 1.8% to 1.2%. So I'm going to briefly go over my formula once again, and here it is worked out for the 2024 halving. And now we will show you the results for the 2028 halving and what it says the price will be. Now let's cover some more shorter term forecasts. To help me with my short term outlook, I lean on my favorite indicator, the Ichimoku cloud. The cloud color has just changed from green to red, and we are stuck essentially inside of the cloud still, with the upper part being resistance at the moment. Now, being in the cloud can foreshadow a pivot, and since it wasn't a downward trend going into the cloud, once it does break out of this formation, that would be a very good sign that we might be on our way to fresh new highs. However, it could go either way. I'm actually leaning towards sideways to slightly lower in the short term. And if you look at this cloud, the thickness of it is extremely thick, meaning that this trend preceding it was extremely strong. If you look at the clouds down here, they were very wispy and thin, and we would have to zoom out probably to the 2021 all-time highs to find a cloud formation that was that thick. Like right here, here, and on the way down here, and here. Since that time, we haven't had a cloud this robust, meaning that this trend has been the strongest trend since the 2021 all-time highs and its subsequent fall. All things being equal, we could be looking at a little bit of downward price movement. Another great tool for deciphering the strength of the trend is a Henkinashi, or Japanese average chart. And we zoom in, we can see that we are in an uptrend, obviously, but the body size is diminishing, although we have not yet seen any lower wicks, meaning that the uptrend is still very much intact, but has hit resistance at the upper limits of this cloud formation. We'll have to see how it reacts. If it breaks above here, we could be going much higher, but until it does, we're going sideways to lower. That's what this chart is telling us. And that wraps up today's show. We'll see you next time.